Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this braided wig. So if you find this video entertaining, make sure give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. It's a short bob wig, color 30, and then it doesn't have a closure, because also most of you have been asking me the difference between a wig that has a closure and the one that doesn't have a closure. So this one doesn't have a closure, it doesn't have a human hair on the parting, and then again the color is 30. So guys, I'll just play my client's audio on this video. I won't put music, and yeah, so guys, again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hello, my sister. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are fine. I'm also fine. Some people like me, the hair that you do for me, so I give me two people your number to call you, and I send your WhatsApp, your Facebook this thing name, so that they will search for what they need. That's how I do. Okay. In case then you see somebody call you, I'm the one that send them. Okay, I said because I trust you. They said, did that? I say yes, I trust you, because I'll be buying hair maybe 3 times or 4 times now. I buy for your hands. You're a good person, and I give them your number, and I give you, they don't know the, say you are in YouTube on WhatsApp, but for YouTube name, your name, I give them so that they will search for what they want. Okay, bye bye. May God bless you. Okay, if you have a feta, let me know. Okay, once you have a feta, because I don't look every time, but just sometimes I work. So if you have any of feta, you just give me voice record so that we know that I will check what I will buy. Okay, bye bye.
So guys, that was a random voice note from one of my clients, and I really appreciate your feedback. So if you've ordered from my website, kindly guys always leave a review. I really will appreciate. That was it for today guys. See you in my next video. Bye.